The sound of clinking glass, conversation between neighbors and friends roaring throughout the Horny Toad is a regular occurrence on Wednesday nights. United recently held a sign-up event in Cranfills Gap to celebrate internet service being finally available. Attendees had the opportunity to ask questions to their local representatives and sign up for the fiber-optic internet. The folks of Cranfills Gap were jam-packed in the Horny Toad, riddled with the anticipation to try out the service for themselves and to watch some billiards over a few drinks with friends. United has been working diligently on the build-out of its world-class network, and although we're not done yet, we hope to bring all our members the world at the speed they need.